evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. And just confirm if I'm audible and visible to all of you or not. Am I audible? Am I visible too? Yes? Great. Okay. So, as I say every day, kindly switch on your camera so that I can see you people and we can have an interactive session. Still, people are joining. There are very few today. It's only 39 right now. Maybe they'll join later on, but yes, we have to begin with the class. We have already started with the interview skills, and yesterday I told you what are the things which you need to take care when you are having a phone telephonic interview. Okay, now I'll tell you what are the questions which are asked during the telephonic interview. So that thing will cover, and along with that, there are certain more questions which are asked generally when you go for an interview, and how you should answer to those questions because that is very, very important. So that we will be dealing. And one more thing we'll be doing today is the some phrases which you can use at your workplace, some phrases which are very much in trend these days, and you need to know and you need to understand the meaning of those phrases क्योंकि उसको आप directly translate नहीं कर सकते हो. If you will translate, it will go wrong. So it would be better that you don't translate. You just know the meaning of those sentences, those phrases, and use it when you are at your workplace. Today, I know I'll be, yeah, my light is not so bright today because I'm in another room. My husband has a flight and he's sleeping in that room, so I cannot disturb him. And yeah, so we'll begin. Okay, and we'll begin with the revision of few things I would like to ask, which I gave you yesterday in the class. So let's do that. Let's quickly revise things. अपूर्व तुमने फिर से रेज कर लिया हैंड क्या है what is there? You have questions? Hello, okay. Tell me, what questions do you have?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, no question. To stay forward, just for
Sorry,
to be
sir?
in front. Ma'am, to be always in front. That is how.
Okay, great. There are
Ma'am,
other.
ma'am. One thing I want to ask you that after we are approximately end toward the end of the this session. So I want to ask after 9 days. Today I have a lot of word meanings. So after some time I forget some words, and if I continue even to learn 5 words, then I think that after a month I have a lot of words. So how could I remember that word all?
How can you remember those words? The best thing to remember those words are that try to use it in your sentence whenever it is possible, okay? And कैसे use कर पाओगे? Definitely you need to speak in English for that. तभी आप उन words को use कर पाओगे. That is why I'm telling you, people make friends, make somebody who is there to speak in English with you, who is there to correct you. और सबसे अच्छा होगा कि आप इस क्लास में से किसी को फ्रेंड बनाओ क्योंकि जो आप सीख रहे हो वही आपका फ्रेंड भी सीख रहा है. तो you can have a chat with that person or you can talk with that person, and if that person knows it, he will correct you. If you know it very well, you correct him. In that way, you people will have a conversation also. You will be able to practice those words also, because until and unless you will not use it, it will be of no use. I'm telling you, वो बचपन का तरीका जो था, हमें कितने वर्ड मीनिंग्स याद रहते थे. हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ एग्जाम देने के लिए याद करते थे. एग्जाम खत्म, वर्ड्स खत्म, भूल जाते थे हम वर्ड मीनिंग्स. ठीक है, सिर्फ उन्हीं वर्ड्स को आज तक हम याद रखते हैं जिनको शायद हमने यूज किया होगा अपने सेंटेंसेस में. So it
Yes, ma'am.
is a very, again, a nature that until unless you won't use that word in your sentence, you won't be able to remember the meaning. So make sure that you talk, you chat, and then what else I can say? I say, ठीक है, 10 दिन में I cannot teach you English, but 10 दिन में जितना हो सका, I have tried my level best to give you, so that will help you out throughout your life and throughout your career. But yeah, ठीक है. Then
But ma'am, I'm definitely improved in these 10 days
I can see that I have so many
because
people who have in
because
learning.
it's my New Year resolution to be frequent in English. So I think I'm working on it. And it is actually give me more Gutenberg happiness in myself that I'm respecting my own commitments.
Wow, very nice. So it's a goosebump for me actually. When you are saying this, actually it means I'm affecting somebody's life. And my main motto is not to earn a lot of money. हाँ ठीक है, money. I'm not saying, I cannot say like that. It's not important. Money is important, but I'm not here to learn or earn a lot of money. I want to earn that much just say I and my family members are safe, secure, and then at the time of emergency I can have that much money to actually take care of my, my in-laws are there, they are quite old. So I want ki, I should have something in my pocket, in my bank, so that I can help them out. But I'm not having that perception that I should earn a lot. I want to touch everybody's life. I run my own online English classes in the name of IOL, and there I take classes for those kids जो कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, यूपी के, दिल्ली के, and they're unable to afford English courses क्योंकि English courses are very very expensive these days. Planet Spark pe I'm working, and there 1 lakh rupees is the fees for one complete year to learn English. Okay, where I teach. That is a firm which is running a business, and they deal with international students also. But what I'm doing is separately, I teach students who are coming from backward area, who are coming from rural areas, who cannot afford English, but they are in a need, and they have a zeal to learn. And I'm teaching them. Maybe there are few whom I'm teaching free of cost, and there are few who says कि नहीं, guru dakshina हमने देना ही है, so they pay 300 rupees per month, like that. And I'm teaching them, and I'm changing their life actually. Now they are working in some companies. कोई किसी IT का ITI company में है, जो जहाँ भी जा सकता है, जिसके अंदर जो skills and they're doing it. They call me and they say, ma'am, I'm earning today, ma'am, I'm working over here. So since last 8 years, I've been doing this, and I really like doing it. I like touching everybody's life. When somebody gives me, what I'm going to earn from this 10 days class is when you will write the feedback. That I'm curious about, okay? Because that feedback makes me feel good, and that encourages me. Whenever I feel low in life, I read those feedbacks of my students, and then I feel happy and then confident. So that's a boost, that's a motivation for me. That's what I'm doing. So if you guys feel any kind of problem in English, right after 10 days also I'm available. You can contact me, where I'm running my own batch. You can join that batch, get your grammar, get your daily life phrases, and all those things get clear from there. I'm running only one batch right now, that is in the at night only. 8:40 जो आपकी बात होती है class, 8:40 to 9:30, 9:40 it goes, 9:40, 9:45. So that is only one batch I'm running for my own stuff, because recently I've joined Planet Spa. So yes, if you have any grammatical issues and you want to correct your English right from the very beginning, scratch से शुरू करने वाला, तो yes, you can join my classes there. ठीक है? That आपके college के according, we have arranged the sessions for you, so that is helpful for your career. Apart from this, if you want, you can definitely come and join that class. Fine?
Ma'am, at last I want to say that I assure you that in future, if we meet, then you will definitely feel proud on me, and
I,
I must
I
improve my English.
I'm very much sure that you people will definitely improve and you will excel in life. And I really hope to see you guys. I want you all to come to Delhi and work over here. And when you get the good job, treat me somewhere, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome. I know that there are most of you who are getting encouraged, who are learning a lot, and who have taken a lot from these 10 days sessions. So I'm really impressed, and I really appreciate your consistency actually, that you are here from last first they say end that you people are here, and you people have supported me a lot. By seeing the number decreasing from 200 to 60 or 70, somewhere I feel very discouraged. Oh my God, what happened? मैंने इतना bore कर दिया that students have left. Then I realized, no, I know what happens at this stage. At this age, you people are not very consistent with anything. You get bored after a particular time. सिर्फ वही टिकते हैं जिनके अंदर कुछ zeal होती है, ठीक है? और जिसके साथ मैं एक कनेक्शन बना पाती हूँ। तो मे बी इतने 60 लोगों के साथ मैं कनेक्शन बना पाई हूँ, बाकियों के साथ नहीं बना पाई। इट कुड बी पॉसिबल, सो आई एम ओके विद I'm happy with those 60 students who are participating, who are learning, and who will take forward this thing in future also and in their career also. So that's okay. Okay, guys, I can see only few people again switching on their camera as usual. Can't help. Others, please switch on your camera. It's just because that you people don't switch on your camera. That is why we do not have any connection. Rahul Kumar, what are you doing in the darkness? It's all dark out there. Yeah, okay. Guys, let me just ask you a few questions quickly about the interview session, interview skills, which we did yesterday. And yesterday, I told you about your dressing sense. Yesterday, I told you what are the first thing which you need to do. What will be the first step the moment you get your notification of interview or your interview has been scheduled? What will be the first thing which you will be doing? So I'll just quickly move to Anupam Sen. Anupam, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Anupam, I can see you after so long. You have never switched on your camera. Today you have switched it on. I'm impressed. Can you just tell me what is the first thing you should do when you go, when your interview has been scheduled?
Sorry, ma'am.
Is the first thing you are supposed to do when you find out that आपका interview schedule हो चुका है?
Firstly, I will prepare myself.
Okay, you'll prepare yourself. Second thing?
Second thing, mm,
कोई बात नहीं, Anupam, it's okay. It happens. Syed will tell. No, Syed, yesterday also Syed told. Tanisha will tell. Tanisha, I'll come to you, Syed. Tanisha, can you tell me the first thing which one should do the moment you get the notification of your class?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Bachcha.
Ma'am, I'll research about the job descriptions, skills required.
Yes,
that's all.
job description. You will read about the job description. सबसे पहली चीज जो आप करोगे वो है job description पढ़ना. So yeah, you will go through the job description, then you will find out the skills which are required for the job, and then you will go through the company's profile. It means you will come to know about company. You will find out three things about the company. That is its financial status, and then its culture, and at the end you will find out about the competitors. So these are three things that you need to find out at the very beginning when you are notified that your interview has been scheduled for this post. तो सबसे पहले आप job title पढ़ते हो, तो उस job title से related क्या requirements है, क्या skills आपके पास होनी चाहिए, and what are the expectations, all those things, and responsibilities too are mentioned over there. Okay, fine. And लड़कियों को सलवार सूट पहनकर जाना चाहिए इंटरव्यू देने के लिए, right, Syed? Why are you smiling?
No, ma'am.
What
Konnichiwa.
what should they wear?
Good evening, ma'am.
Evening.
Girls,
Girls.
I have not written it, ma'am. I have written for men only.
So even if you have not written, I'm just asking you because I taught everyone, no?
Light shirt,
Huh?
light shirt, dark trousers.
Yes.
Shoes with heels on. Not heels on.
With subtle
Full
heels.
shoes. Full shoes.
Subtle heels.
Subtle heel. With not having tattoos and mild perfume with a minimum luggage.
With a very minimum luggage. Very nice, Syed. You listened to it and you were not ready to tell me just because you were feeling shy about it.
No, ma'am, I'm not shy.
You don't have to, okay? That's fine.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah, ma'am.
You have your friend or sister who is going for an interview और वो एकदम झमको सा सूट पहन ले, so will you stop her or not? You will, no? You will tell her not to wear all these things, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Of course.
Yes. Okay, Syed. Thank you so much. So now I will ask Ankita. Ankita, could you please tell me what shall a boy wear when he is going for an interview, or what are the things he should take care of while going for an interview? Ankita, I'm unable to hear. I'm sorry. Your voice is not coming. In spite of the fact that you are unmute. No, remove your earphones. There is some error.
Am I audible?
Yes, now you're audible. Can you just tell me what are the things which a boy should take care when he is going for an interview?
Ma'am, formal dress like shirt,
Hmm.
tie, pant. If he wear belt and belt and shoes color must be same.
This color and the belt color should be same.
Same.
You should wear suit and shirt. And suit should be of red color, maroon color, dark bottle green.
No, ma'am. Light color, light gray, white, and light pink.
Suit should be white color.
No, shouldn't. I'm talking about shirt.
Suit should be of which color? Red,
No, ma'am. Black, navy blue.
navy blue, black. One more color was there.
Gray.
Right, gray, charcoal gray or light gray, you can work on that. So yes, very nice, Ankita. And one more thing, would you like to mention, जो boys ऐसा करते हैं that they start using, you know, अगर उनको perfume या तो कुछ तो ऐसे होते हैं जो लगाते ही नहीं है, and they are very horrible. Yeah, and then there are certain people जो इतना चुन के strong वाला लेके आते हैं and उसके बाद पूरा ऐसे करके नहा लेते हैं because they don't take bath every day, right? So they should use mild perfumes, and they should have more tattoos on their body, right?
No, ma'am. If they have a tattoo,
Over
they
here. Should have piercing or not? Should have piercing or not?
No, ma'am.
Have what they should do?
They should cover their tattoo.
Yeah, they should cover their tattoos and they should cover their piercing, remove whatever they have it. Fine, thank you, Ankita. You have listened to it very well. Rituraj, I can see, yes, you are sitting in a way as if you have an interview. I told you that, yes, maybe today I'll be conducting interview, but Rituraj may not be possible, I think, or maybe I'll try to take your interview, okay? Just because you are ready, you are so much ready. You have prepared yourself well. Have you prepared for the questions also?
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
Little bit. Okay, great. So अभी मैं आपको ऐसे भी बताऊंगी what are the questions which will be asked and what how you are going to answer to the questions. Then quickly we'll have an interview session with you, and the rest of the people I'll be taking your interviews tomorrow. Today we'll try to cover the interview skills, their questions, their answers, your question and answer related to any of the sessions which you have, because tomorrow I think the whole 2 hours will be covered taking interviews, right? So आज जो पूछना है, जितना पूछना है, जो बातें करनी है, you can talk, you can speak. So let me just finish it with up with interview skills, okay? Okay, Rituraj, just be ready. I'll come back to you. One thing I would like to notify over there, which the way you are sitting, everything is fine. You are in a proper uniform, but definitely I will not ask you to wear suit right now. It's a formal thing. But do you think your tie is appropriate?
Sorry, ma'am.
Tie this knot should be in between, okay? And your collar button should be
Ma'am,
closed.
that was makes too uncomfortable.
That makes you uncomfortable. But even if it makes you uncomfortable, you have to, you know. I'll show you. Yeah, I'll tell you about my husband. Okay, my husband is in Air India. Okay, and he's a senior crew over there. He has to wear that uniform for complete 24 hours because he goes for international flights also. Okay, and he has kitni bhi garmi ho, definitely in aircraft you have air conditioning, everything, but still you have to wear that black suit. The white should be there. This collar should be tied properly. The knot should be in between. And I'm very lucky to have such husband who has been groomed like anything. Being a girl, I'm a mess, but he is so much groomed, I can't tell you. His shoes are always polished, his nails are always paid, his hair is always, it's never messed, never ever. Always properly with proper gel and everything. It is always set. And and yes, belt, tie, the badges, the air in badge, everything is properly um, settled over there. When you will see him, you'll find कि अगर आप उसको एक बार टच भी करोगे तो वो गंदा हो जाएगा, ऐसा लगता है उसे देख करके कि मूर्त है भाई, उसको ऐसे ही रखो ना, एकदम फ्रेम कर दो उसको। तो वो वाली यूनिफॉर्म होनी चाहिए, उतना ही क्रिस्प। तो जस्ट फॉर 1 आवर और 2 आवर आप अगर जाते हो, आप अपने आप को उतना अनकंफर्टेबल कर सकते हो, ठीक है? बिकॉज आई हैव सीन गाइस डूइंग दिस फॉर कंप्लीट 24 आवर्स और मोर देन 24 आवर्स, बिकॉज ही हैज टू गो टू फ्लाइट्स फॉर 16 आवर्स या 17 आवर्स की एक कंप्लीट फ्लाइट होती है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट 2 आवर्स बिफोर यू हैव टू रीच योर एयरपोर्ट, and then 2 hours after deboarding also, it takes a lot of time at the airport, and then you finally reach your destination. So they do, and you should also do it. Okay, so make yourself that much presentable कि सच में आपको कोई देखे तो ये लगे कि इस इंसान को अगर हल्का सा भी टच किया तो वो गंदा हो जाएगा, ठीक है? उतने क्रिस्प आप देखो। Got it?
Yes, ma'am. I will try my best.
I have told you this to motivate you that people can do it for 24 hours. You people can easily do it for 3 hours. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'll just share my screen and we will move to the interview skills thing. And here we go. Just confirm if my screen is visible or not. Is my screen visible? Yeah, okay. Thank you for confirmation. So yesterday I told you that on telephone you have certain things which you need to take care of, that try to use your landline rather than using telephone, means your cell phone, because there is a lot of disturbance with the network sometimes. So it's a better way or safe way to use landline if you have, or if you have any option. Now I'll be telling you certain questions which are asked during an interview on phone. Telephonic interview में क्या questions पूछे जाते हैं जो कि common है, इसके अलावा भी पूछे जाते हैं guys, but जो common है मैं वो आपको बता रही हूँ। सबसे पहला है tell me a little about yourself. मान लो अभी राहुल प्रभाकर, you are at that stage where you are supposed to go for an interview, तो आप prepared हो गए। Can you tell me a little about yourself? How will you answer to this question?
I'm Rahul Prabhakar, from electrical engineering branch. I did my BTech from the Government Engineering College, Buxar, from Patna. Many more.
No, then you're not prepared, Rahul, huh? Okay, I'll move to Rituraj. Rituraj, this is your turn, okay? As you are looking very presentable to me, I'll definitely go to you. Rituraj, you have to tell me a little about yourself. How will you answer?
Good evening, everyone. I am Rituraj from Purnia district, Bihar. I passed my 10th in 2017, and I completed my 12th board exam in 2019. Currently, I am studying in Katihar Engineering College, Katihar, in computer science branch. I have recently learned C programming language. Apart from that, I have also completed a digital marketing internship provided by AQ and SoftPro. Apart from these things, I also volunteer in extracurriculum activity. I feel I am a good player in kabaddi and sports like running, long jump, high jump, etc. Mostly Bollywood movies attract me a lot, and I am a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. Shahrukh Khan. And my favorite movie is, of course, Badshah. And that's all about myself.
Very nice, Rituraj. You have spoken really well. Impressive, actually. Applauds for you. You did it very well, and you have spoken a lot about yourself that with which we can come to know about you. But I would like to mention few things, Rituraj. Okay, as you said that you are Rituraj and you are from the this CAC, right? CSE engineer. You are pursuing your engineering right now, and you are pursuing your degree from here, and you put up here means you live here. ये सारी चीजें आपने बताया मुझे, अपनी education qualification भी आपने बताई. That's okay. That's fine. ठीक है. अपनी tell me little about yourself में definitely हम सिर्फ ये नहीं कहते कि hello everyone, I'm Kajal Singh, I am 29 years old and I'm a teacher. सिर्फ इतना नहीं बोलते. हम ये बताने की कोशिश करते हैं टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ में. अपना नाम जरूर बता दो, ठीक है, वो ऑब्वियसली आपके उसमें रिटन है resume में, but you will start with your name and then definitely you will talk about little bit of your qualification which you have pursued. अब तक आपने जो कर लिया वो आप जरूर बताएंगे, but along with that you need to mention your specific skills which are required for the same job title. I repeat it once again. This is very, very important, guys. Remember that when you are telling about yourself, what you need to add on is your skills, your strengths, your skills which will help you getting selected for the job title for which you are here for the interview. ठीक है, जिस इंटरव्यू के लिए आप आए हैं, जिस जॉब टाइटल के लिए आप आए हैं, आपको उनके उससे रिलेटेड जो भी स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स होने चाहिए और जो आप में है, या कोई आपने ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस परस्यू किया होगा या आपने कोई इंटर्नशिप किया होगा जो उस जॉब टाइटल के लिए सुटेबल है, अप्रोप्रिएट है, देन ट्राई टू मेंशन दैट while telling about yourself. Did you get me, Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you a sample. Just a small sample. You can add on many things into this. So, I'm known for being a detail-oriented, well-organized team player. I never miss deadlines. I'm a good communicator and I can juggle multiple tasks at once. In my performance reviews, my supervisor always notes that he appreciates my professionalism and enthusiasm for the job. So this is something I'm talking about myself, which nobody knows. My name, my age, and my qualification is already there in the resume. But what am I trying to tell him is my skills I possess for this job title. So please remember this is very, very important. And these are some common points which I have picked up. Apart from your name and apart from your qualifications, you can talk about these points. ये common है, किसी भी job title में ये suitable है. कैसे? क्योंकि detail oriented आपको होना ही चाहिए. Whenever you are being professional, you need to go through the details of anything you are trying to pick it up. Second thing, that you need to be a team player. You need to be a person who believes in teamwork, because where you are going to work, you have to maintain that decorum. You have to be friendly, polite with the colleagues over there, because obviously everywhere in project there are more than one people. You are not only going to handle the project all alone. I never miss deadlines. Deadlines are always very important in any job or any project which you are doing. So yes, never miss to mention this, that you are a very you're very much particular about the deadlines. And obviously for any job nowadays, for any job, I must say communication is very, very important. So please say that you are a very good communicator or you have good communication skills and you are a multitasker. Nowadays being a mediocre doesn't work. So what you need to do is you have to show that I'm not just good at one thing. At a time, with all my focus, I can do many tasks altogether. And in my performance reviews, my supervisor or my professors, you can mention your, because you are going to be a fresher, so you can say, okay, in my performance reviews, I used to got appreciated by my professors and they used to tell me that I'm very much professional and enthusiasm about the job which is being assigned to me or whatever is being assigned to me. I'm very, very enthusiastic about it. So please mention these points. This will definitely help you to make a good impression when you talk about yourself. And the person will be very much interested to know more about you, and then he will go ahead with it. ठीक है, ये आपकी पहली चीज है. आई होप दिस विल हेल्प. ऋतुराज, डू यू फाइंड इट गुड?
Yes, ma'am.
ये है ना थोड़ा इम्प्रेसिव. किसी को अपनी वो चीज बताना जो कि ऑलरेडी आपके रिज्यूमे में लिखा है, दैट इज फाइन. यू कैन ओनली टॉक अबाउट फ्यू थिंग्स कि ठीक है, दीज आर माई matlab, these are my qualification and this is what I have done, and I believe that I'm a very detail oriented person, and I can well organize a team because I have always worked in team. I have done so many projects at my college, and then due to my teamwork I have a very good communication skills. I can juggle with lots of multitasks at one time with all my focus. And as per my professors or with their reviews, I've got to know and I was very much appreciated for the professionalism and enthusiasm I have for the job or for anything. So that person is impressed to take you as a person for that job title. This is very, very important. So that was the first question which can be asked to you. And the second one is, what interests you most about this job? अब आप इस जॉब के लिए जो आए हैं, आपको क्यों इतनी ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, क्या है सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग इस जॉब में, for which you have chosen this area or this field or this job role? Then how will you answer to this question? Question आपको पता है ऋतुराज? Will you be able to try? Would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I will like to try. Ma'am, since I I read about your company, and there I found that you need someone who is good in programming, as well as who have some basic idea of digital marketing. Since I have these two qualities which I feel should be beneficial or beneficial for you and your company. And I think that I will also learn something extra which you required, and maybe, and I assure you that I will be a big asset for your company. Thank you.
Okay, nice, Rituraj. It was really good. You have actually picked up the right lines to, justify this answer. It was really good. Very nice. Now I would like to give you hints, or you can also add on to this. आपने बहुत सही शुरू किया that yes, I have got to know from the advertisement that you people are looking for such candidate, and I think that yes, I possess these skills, and it's going to be a life-changing opportunity for me as I am going to learn something from your company, because this company is doing its best right now in the market, and definitely it I can see myself developing over here, growing over here. Okay, and this will add on to my मतलब उनकी आप अच्छे से तारीफ करो, भर भर के तारीफ करो, बट थोड़ा ओवर ना हो जाए इसका ध्यान रखना, क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत स्मार्ट होते हैं. दे विल स्टार्ट क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग यू. तो जो भी बोलो वो एक फैक्ट के साथ बोलना कि आपकी कंपनी के बारे में. आई हैव सीन दैट योर कंपनी इज डूइंग दीज मेनी टर्नओवर्स एंड मेनी कंपनीज आर ट्राइंग टू मर्ज विद यू. योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स आर स्केर्ड ऑफ यू बिकॉज योर स्किल्स आर ट्रेंडिंग दीज डेज एंड दिस एंड दैट. जो भी आप उनको मेंशन कर सकते हो. एक सैंपल मैंने यहाँ पे तैयार किया है विच आई वुड लाइक टू रीड इट आउट फॉर यू. Rather than I read it out for you, one of you, I would like to take the initiative and volunteer me to read this. And I would like to give chance to somebody who is new. Saurav Singh, can you just read this? Raj, you mute yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Saurav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you? I can't see you. Saurav, do me a favor. Yeah, I can see you. Can you just read out this paragraph which is in front of you?
Yes, ma'am. What interests you most about this job? This question, and the answer is I understand that you seek an individual with outstanding leadership skills. I have extensive experience building and leading teams to success, and I truly enjoy helping people work hard and achieve goals. I also have a strong communication abilities, and I noticed that your company values individuals who are able to effectively communicate unique and creative ideas.
Superb. Thank you so much, Saurav. Your pronunciation Was good, very nice. But you need to be a little louder. सोकर उठे हो या भूख लगी है?
नहीं मैम, आज ही इंटरव्यू से बाहर हुआ हूँ।
बाहर हुआ हूँ मतलब?
यस मैम।
बाहर मतलब you were rejected
यस मैम।
in an interview.
It was of a UPSC NDA interview.
UPSC NDA interview. Oh my God, that was a big thing, na? It's okay. That's fine. It happens. Failures, you know, we learn from our failures. Do you have another chance to apply for it?
This was my the last chance for NDA, and now I will get in CDS and FCAT.
Yeah, so then try for CDS, no? That is not bad. NDA, yes, that we give twice only. That is, one is after 11th and one is after 12th. You get opportunity to do so. Am I right?
In class 12th only, and it
Yeah.
is of 19 years. Up to
19 years is the last.
is
Many
last.
of my brothers are there in army now. They are major or lieutenants. So they also cracked this NDA exam, and I have also made few students prepare for NDA exams. But तुम थोड़े से late मुझे मिला, I can't help it.
Yes,
It's
ma'am,
okay,
I
but you
also.
prepare yourself well for CDS, okay? Prepare well for CDS. Don't be upset. Learn from it. What were the questions that were asked to you then?
Actually, ma'am, there was not any question asked. There is a very blurred picture was shown, and we have to write a story, and after that we have to narrate, and after narration we have to group discussion. What means there will be the group of 15 students, and each will be narrating its own story. So after group discussion, we have to form a common story. And group discussion part only, I didn't take part. Means वो होते हैं ना कि यूपी वाले और साउथ वाले, आई एम करेंटली इन बैंगलोर, ये साउथ वाले का इंग्लिश थोड़ा बहुत बढ़िया रहता है, दे वर नॉट गिविंग एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्पीक.
But then you have good English, Saurav. Why do you feel like this? You would have spoken. तुम कुछ भी बोलकर आते ना, Saurav. They would have marked you that at least you are speaking. Don't make yourself feel embarrassed when you see somebody else is speaking better than you. You speak what you have, and your English is perfectly fine the way you are speaking. It's good. Who tells you guys, yaar? Why do you judge yourself like this? It's okay, Saurav. That's fine. Okay, it happens. It happens in life. So you have seen that South Indians have very good English. So now what you are going to do is you will make your English that much fluent, that much good, and you are pretty good. I'm sure that this interview skill sessions will definitely help you out. And what you are talking about is a story. उसको कहते हैं story chain बनाना, सौरभ, जो आपने किया कि एक picture थी, उसके ऊपर हमने story build करना था, and build करने के बाद एक सारी डिस्कशन, ग्रुप डिस्कशन के बाद एक अच्छी सी स्टोरी को बिल्ड करना था विद प्लॉट वाइज, क्योंकि उसमें बिगनिंग होनी चाहिए, उसमें मिडिल होना चाहिए और उसमें एक एंड पार्ट होना चाहिए. तुम्हें पता है ये मैं अभी बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ, एक छोटे बच्चे को, क्लास 3rd या 4th के बच्चे को ये चीज पढ़ा रही हूँ. एंड वही है ना, प्लैनेट स्पार्क इज अ वेरी गुड फर्म विच टेल्स यू अबाउट दीज थिंग्स व्हेन यू आर अ चाइल्ड ओनली, and their content is too good. So yes, you need to practice all these things, and lots of content is available on internet. Practice that. Okay, guys, so coming on back to this question, what interests you most about this job? As I told you, that you have to tell that person that the skills or things which he or she is looking for, you are appropriate for it and you are suitable for it. You possess those skills, and you have to also elaborate it. Where have you, utilized those skills, and what kind of experience you have or you are carrying forward? So ये चीजें बहुत important है. Make sure that you add on to this, add on to your answer. You can add on these lines definitely, because these are some common lines which are required for any job title, It's written that I understand that you seek an individual. Seek ka matlab you are looking for. So I understand that you seek an individual with outstanding leadership skills. So leadership skills should always be there with each one of you. Each individual should possess leadership quality. I have extensive experience building and leading teams to success. It means you work in team. Again, you are talking about something which you already spoken. You're telling me about yourself, main. But isko thoda alag tarike se you are telling. And I truly enjoy helping people work hard and achieve goals. This means that you are you are a helpful person. You're amiable in nature. You are social, and you believe in teamwork. Believing in teamwork is very, very important. This is something which will be observed by an interviewer. Then you say, I also have a strong communication abilities, and I notice that your company values individuals who are able to effectively communicate a unique and creative ideas. Any firm is looking for somebody who is creative with his ideas and with his, with his skills. वैसे इंसान को आज हर एक बंदा ढूंढ रहा है जो क्रिएटिव हो. मैंने कहा आजकल नॉर्मल इज नॉट द ट्रेंड. Being unique, but unique in a positive sense, possessing lots and lots of good skills, and new age skill learning is very important right now. That is based on complete technology based education या knowledge कहते हैं जिसको, वो आपके पास होनी चाहिए. That will help you out to progress in any field. So yes, you can, guys, if you people are taking the screenshot, that's very nice. If you are not taking, please keep on taking, because maybe these answers will help you out when you are going for an interview. Just have cast a glance at this and then prepare yourself well for the interview. Moving on to the next, that common interview questions. Now, I'm not talking about the telephonic interview. I'm now talking about the common interview questions, which can be asked to you when you go for an interview, proper interview के लिए आप venue पे जाते हो. Then what kind of questions can be asked to you? First is, tell me about yourself. I have already told you how you can answer about yourself. What attracted you to our company? So, as I said, the second thing which you do after job title is that you search about the company. You do R&D. Okay? So you do R&D about what? R&D about the company. You go about the in and outs of that company. You try to find out its competitors, its culture, and its company's position, company's financial position actually in the market. ठीक है? तो ये सारी चीज आप कंपनी के बारे में पढ़कर आते हो. इनफैक्ट मैंने ये तक बोला था that go and read the reviews of present and former employees of that company, because that will help you out to understand what this company is giving to his employee, which you can definitely put forth there when it is being asked to you, what attracted you to our company? ऐसा क्या हमारी कंपनी में आपको दिखा that you have opted to give interview here or you want to work over here? So remember, all these things you will mention into it. Next is, tell me about your strengths. As I have already told you during your introduction thing, that you have to know, you have to analyze your strengths, and you can definitely talk about your strengths over here, and also cite some examples where you think your strengths proved very helpful to you. Then what are your weaknesses? अब weaknesses में guys आपने बोला था कुछ लोगों ने, मैम मैं बहुत इमोशनल हूँ, मैम मुझे बहुत जल्दी बुरा लग जाता है. ये सारी चीजें हम weaknesses में इंटरव्यू में नहीं बोलते हैं. ठीक है? आप ऐसे वीकनेस को बताओगे जिसके अंदर एक तरह से स्ट्रेंथ छुपी हो. Like when someone asks me, what is your weakness? Then I say, my weakness is that I cannot sit calmly until and unless my work is done. Okay? I am very much particular about completing my work which has been assigned to me, and until and unless I do not finish it appropriately or completely, or I do not give 100% of mine, I do not feel comfortable with it. So that is my weakness. ओके अब इससे क्या होगा, कंपनी को या इंटरव्यूअर को ये लगेगा कि ओ वाह दिस पर्सन इज गुड, मतलब इसको खुद ही बेचैनी रहेगी कि मेरा काम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, तो ये खुद काम कंप्लीट करेगा. नो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड to make this person believe that you have to complete your work, you have to do your work. Okay? So this is one of the weakness which you can mention. You can also find out other weaknesses too. Lots and lots of contents are available on internet to give the appropriate answer to these questions. Please go through it, read it out. That is important. Reading is very, very important, guys. And then the fifth question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So क्या answer दोगे सैयद? If I ask you, where do you see yourself after 5 years? Yes.
No, ma'am.
What?
Don't panic.
क्या हो गया?
Don't.
You don't know where do you see yourself? फिर शुरू हो गई ना तुम्हारी बीमारी तुम्हें फिर से.
sorry.
Why do you sorry to me? It's okay.
आदत है मैम. I'm sorry.
इससे तो मुझे वो गाना याद आता है. अब तो आदत सी है मुझको. Something like that, right?
Where do I see myself in 5 years?
5 minutes ले ले ये सोचने के लिए कि तू 5 साल बाद क्या करेगा, कहाँ होगा. ठीक है. I'll come to Shalom till then. Shalom, will you tell me? बहुत ध्यान से तुम देख रहे थे.
I don't have any idea, but I'll tell them that I would like to see my company first in top. Then I'll see myself, because I would like to, drag my company from whatever it's now to the best in 5 years.
Okay, so you see the company to excel in 5 years. Where do you see yourself? You don't know.
No, ma'am. If I'll make if I'll work hard to take my company at its best, so I have to work hard, and they will see me to work hard, and they will automatically they will promote me or something like that.
Okay, fine.
As per my logic.
As per your logic. Okay. I'll tell you, see, it's not very difficult to answer this question. Where do you see yourself? Definitely make yourself that much comfortable, and you know your you know everything about the company. तो कंपनी की चीजों को उठाते हुए पिक करते हुए उसके एडवांटेज उसकी अच्छी चीजों को उठा के आप उसमें ऐड ऑन करके बोल सकते हो दैट आई कैन सी माई सेल्फ एट सम वेरी सीनियर लेवल एज आई बिलीव दैट दिस company is going to keep me growing and learning continually. I have seen this company giving opportunities to those who are eager to learn new things. So you can tell them that yes, definitely I'm seeing myself after 5 years in this company, at some very senior level, by developing my skills, by learning a lot, and by growing in in every aspect as you people give in job. As मैंने बताया था आपको कि इन जॉब ट्रेनिंग्स होती हैं जो कि आप जॉब रहते हुए भी ट्रेनिंग्स करते हो और कई ऐसी कंपनीज हैं जो कि आपको ये प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करती है कि आप कंपनी में रह के भी कई चीजें सीख सकते हो एंड देन अपनी स्किल्स में ऐड ऑन कर सकते हो एंड देन डेफिनेटली दैट विल गिव यू प्रमोशंस. So make that means that employer feel or assure that employer that you are going to stick to this company after 5 years and you look yourself at some senior level growing and developing. Okay, this will be the appropriate answer for this question. If you want to take the screenshot of this slide, you can take it and allow me to proceed further with the next slide. Shall I move ahead? Cool. So now the sixth question says, can you tell wait, huh? Yeah, can you tell me about a time where you encountered a business challenge and how did you overcome it? So ये question definitely एक fresher से नहीं पूछा जाएगा. ये एक एक्सपीरियंस इंसान से पूछा जाएगा जो ऑलरेडी किसी कंपनी में जॉब करके आ रहा होगा. उससे ये पूछा जाएगा क्या आपने कभी एनकाउंटर किया है कोई बिजनेस चैलेंज या कोई ऐसा चैलेंज ड्यूरिंग योर वर्क प्रोफाइल, एंड अगर किया तो आपने उसे कैसे ओवरकम किया. ठीक है. What were the things and how you handled that situation, how you handled that pressure. Definitely they want to know whether you can work under pressure or not. So this is very, very important. Try to have good things into it. या फिर आप आपसे ये भी पूछा जा सकता है during your college, did you ever encounter any kind of challenge in front of you where you were supposed to work and you were under pressure? How did you tackle with that pressure? What were the things you do and how you found the solution for the problem which arose or the solution for the challenge which arose in front of you? The next question is, what are the most important things you are looking for in your next role? मतलब आप क्या चीजें देखना चाहते हो अपनी जॉब प्रोफाइल में. ठीक है. क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं जिसको आप प्रेफर करोगे. अब आपसे आपकी प्रेफरेंस पूछी जा रही है. So make sure you have a list of things and good things, relevant things. ऐसी कोई चीज मत बोलकर आ जाना जो एम्प्लॉयर को बुरी लग जाए. ठीक है. या उसको नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट दे दे. नॉर्मल चीजें बोलकर आना जो आप नॉर्मली एक्सपेक्ट करते हो. सो यू व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. So the most important thing I'm looking for in my next role is that I should get an opportunity, or I'm looking for lots and lots of opportunities to learn and develop so that I can grow in my field, and I can benefit the company in most possible ways. Okay, or in all aspects. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ कह सकते हो आप. Why are you leaving your current job? Definitely, this is a question which is asked to a person who has worked earlier and is going to leave this job and join another job. तो इसमें आप क्या करोगे? आप बोलोगे कि वो कंपनी बहुत बकवास थी, मुझे अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं करती थी, मुझे बहुत परेशान करती थी, इतना परेशान करती थी कि आई कैन नॉट टॉलरेट, ये वो आप सारी चीजें बोल देना. ठीक है, बोल दोगे ना? यही बोलोगे ना शालम? राइट शालम?
Yes.
यू विल से ना कि मेरी करंट जो जॉब है जहाँ पे, वो लोग अच्छे लोग नहीं हैं, वो लोग बहुत गंदे हैं, बहुत प्रताड़ित करते हैं अपने एम्प्लॉयज को, 18-18 घंटे काम करवाते हैं, सैलरी भी टाइम से नहीं देते हैं, वर्क स्पेस भी बहुत ही खराब है, उनका एटमॉस्फेयर, ये सारी चीजें बकवास है, उनकी स्कीम्स, उनकी पॉलिसीज कभी वो फॉलो ही नहीं करते. ये सब बोलोगे ना, ताकि वो खुश हो जाए कि अच्छा हमारी कंपनी अच्छी है. हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
इतने थप्पड़ पड़ेंगे ना उसी वक्त तुम्हें एम्प्लॉयर से.
Then what?
Yes, I'll tell you what shall you speak, okay? What you should speak, sorry. So what you should do at that particular time, you cannot say anything negative about the current job. I'm telling you, please understand this thing. You cannot break trust of any company. If you are breaking trust of that company, the other person whom you are, approaching that I want to work with you, will never trust you, because he will also find you a person who is nitpicker, who keeps on doing nitpicking. मतलब नुक्स निकालते रहते हो तुम, ठीक है, तुम्हें वैसा समझा जाएगा. तो ऐसा मत करना, that will give you negative impact. What you should say is, I have reached to the extreme of my skills, or I have given all 100% of mine, or what I had, or I have utilized all my skills till now. Now what am I doing is, I'm now looking forward for a platform where I can get opportunities, and there I'm not getting opportunities to learn new things. I have been only utilizing the knowledge which I had earlier, but I'm not getting an opportunities to learn and grow over there. That is why I am changing, or I'm looking for a job change. Did you get it? Be
Yes, ma'am.
particular about this answer. Never say all these things. कितना भी तुम्हें प्रताड़ित करते हो पहली कंपनी वाले, आप उनको कभी ये चीज नहीं बोलोगे. That gives really bad impression. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. And yes. So yes, you can say like that, that अभी तक जितनी मेरी पोटेंशियल थी वो मैंने सारी चीजें यूज कर ली है इस फॉर्म में, इस जॉब में. मैंने अपने करंट प्रोफाइल में जितना कुछ सीखा था वो सब कुछ यूटिलाइज कर लिया है. मुझे अब मौका चाहिए टू एक्सेल, टू ग्रो एंड टू डेवलप, एज we are living in a competitive world, and we need to develop our skills, we need to tackle with the competition. So I'm here looking for a job change because I have found that your company gives an opportunity to the employees to learn more and develop more, and that's why I'm changing this job. Then what are your salary expectations? Please guys, वहां पे लिखा रहता है उनके उसमें कि वो कितनी सैलरी देंगे. ठीक है, एक उनका स्केल रहता है, CTC, उसमें लिखा रहता है, मेंशन्ड रहता है. जब आप जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन को पढ़ते हो, आप उनसे एक हाइक मांग सकते हो. ठीक है, आप अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन बता सकते हो, लेकिन अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन इतनी ज्यादा मत बता देना कि अगर हाथ में आने वाली जॉब होगी तो वो भी नहीं आएगी जो आने वाली थी. ठीक है, तो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा आप अपना सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन ऊपर बता सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर जॉब रोल. आप खुद को पहले जज करो कि आपके अंदर जो स्किल्स हैं उसके हिसाब से, या उस जॉब टाइटल के हिसाब से, और आपके सराउंडिंग में भी लोगों को कितनी सैलरी मिल रही है. और उस कंपनी के बारे में जब आप रिसर्च करोगे तो आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा कि वो कंपनी अपनी एम्प्लॉयज को कितनी सैलरी देती होगी इतने पोस्ट पे. क्या उसने जो मेंशन किया है जॉब टाइटल में, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वो सही है या नहीं? You don't know, so you have to do research. Maybe through research you will come to know कि उन्होंने वहां बहुत कम लिख रखा है, जबकि वो अपनी कंपनी के एम्प्लॉयज को इतना देते हैं. तो आज के टाइम में बार्गेनिंग भी होती है, बट अच्छी कंपनीज जो होती है वो यूनिफॉर्म रखना चाहती है ताकि ट्रांसपेरेंसी मेंटेन रहे। नहीं तो डे फर्स्ट से आपके अंदर और आपके कलीग के अंदर जलन की भावना आ जाएगी अगर आपको ज्यादा उन्होंने दे दिया और वो जो पहले से वहां काम कर रहा है उसको कम मिल रही होगी। तो अच्छी कंपनीज, बड़ी कंपनीज ऐसा नहीं करती। लेकिन हाँ, आई कैन टेल यू इट्स इट्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ फेक पीपल एंड देयर आर पीपल जिस किसी को पैसे काटने को नहीं दौड़ते, जितना वो बचा सकते हैं वो बचाना चाहते हैं। So they will have this, partiality amongst their employees. Somebody can get more, somebody can get less. Then do you have any questions for me? Remember that you can also ask questions to the employer, but that has to be appropriate. And for that, what you are supposed to do is you need to prepare your questions beforehand. ठीक है, बिफोर हैंड घर से ही अपने क्वेश्चंस रेज जो भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हैं, अप्रोप्रिएट है, रेलेवेंट है, अच्छे सवाल हैं, तो उसे नोट डाउन कर लो। अगर आपको लगता है आप भूल जाओगे तो आप एक नोट पैड लेके जा सकते हो जिसमें आप उन क्वेश्चंस को मेंशन कर सकते हो। अब ये नहीं कि उठा करके सीधे ऐसे पढ़ने लगना, बस फॉर हेल्प यू कैन कीप इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड यू कैन सिंपली आस्क द क्वेश्चंस टू द एम्प्लॉयर। मेक श्योर दैट यू डू नॉट आस्क सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस, आस्क few but relevant. Okay, this is it. That is all about your interview skills. So I have covered all the aspects of interview, your dressing, your everything. Now I'll definitely move on with some other stuff as well, which are very very important. So आपको मैंने question answers तो दे दिए, question करने का तरीका, answer करने का तरीका भी बता दिया, क्या questions आपसे पूछे जाएंगे ये भी मैंने आपको बता दिया। अभी कुछ और भी है इसमें which I want to give it to you, that are do's and don'ts. मतलब क्या आपको करना चाहिए और क्या आपको बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए। I would like to mention those points. Just wait, huh? I think it's. Oh, what happened? Okay. शैलम, तुम कितने इनोसेंट हो ना, मैं तुमसे सीरियस होके बता रही थी और तुम्हें बोल रही हूँ कि हाँ तुम बोल देना कि ये सारे घटिया लोग थे, ये थे वो थे, एंड तुम पूरे आराम से सर हिला रहे थे। यस मैम बोलूंगा मैं बिल्कुल। Guys, don't trust me like that, huh? You cannot trust me blindly. Never trust anybody like that. जॉब इंटरव्यू टिप्स जो होने चाहिए उसमें डूज और डोंट्स मैं आपको बताने चाहिए। डूज में जो आप कर सकते हो, जो आपको जरूर करना चाहिए to make a good impression. So first thing is, oh come on, yes, first thing is dress to impress. ठीक है, as I have already mentioned to you that your first impression is from your physical appearance, so make sure that you dress in an appropriate way that you can impress the person who is in front of you. As I told you that anyone, I'm not just saying girls, so yeah, you people dress up to impress a girl, but don't do only for girls. You try to dress up for your profession also, for your career also. In fact, you make it a habit of dressing in a very good way, because वो आपको ना बहुत confident feel कराती है, बहुत ज्यादा. So make sure that you are dressed up properly. सैयद, तुम्हें तो मैं सबसे पहले बोलूंगी, तुम अपने have a proper haircut, comb your hair before you sit for any kind of presentation or before you go for any interview. Don't be casual with it. I'm telling you, don't be lazy into it. So dress to impress. Make sure your clothes are clean, ironed and presentable. आपके कपड़े हमेशा ironed होने चाहिए, clean होने चाहिए and presentable होने चाहिए। कलर क्या होना चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ। लड़कियों को क्या पहनना चाहिए, लड़कों को क्या पहनना चाहिए, सारी चीजें। Make sure that you follow it, okay? Sayyed will definitely go for a haircut tomorrow. No? You're saying no? Okay, as you wish. Make eye contact and begin with a strong handshake. Remember guys, whenever you are talking to anybody, your eye contact is very very important. अब तुम खुद ही imagine करो, अभी मैं तुम्हें पढ़ा रही हूँ, मैं तुमसे eye contact directly नहीं कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ जैसे तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं तुम्हें ही देख रही हूँ, हाँ? Because I'm continuously looking towards the camera or on the screen where the person's picture is, yes, where the picture is there on the screen. So I look at you in that way, and That's why you people feel connected to me and you talk to me. But what if I'm just, I've shared the screen with you and I start looking at the ceiling and I start speaking, ki, ha, you people should do this, you people should not do this. Will you be interested in looking at me? Will you be interested in listening to me? Khushbu is saying no way. Just get lost, है ना? So ऐसा ही मुझे फील होता है जब आप लोग कैमरा ऑन नहीं करते हो, ऐसा लगता है मुझे मैं भूतों से बात कर रही हूँ जो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So try to maintain an eye contact with the person whom you are speaking to. सही है तुम्हारी आदत, तुम हमेशा कभी नीचे कभी दाएं कभी बाएं देखने लगते हो, मत करो. Stay still. ठीक है? Yes. So this will signal your confidence when you meet your interviewer for the first time. Second thing is आप अपनी nervousness के चक्कर में handshake कभी नहीं करना चाहते. आपको पता है handshake करने जाओगे तो या तो आपके हाथ में पसीना आ रहा होगा जिसकी वजह से interviewer को ये पता लग जाएगा that you are nervous, है ना? या आपको अगर interviewer कोई lady है तो आपको हिचकिचाहट होती है. But I'll tell you one thing. This gives a very good impression that you are confident enough. And how will you do it? You will greet the person. You will go over there. हैंडशेक करने का भी एक तरीका होता है. लूज हैंडशेक से पता चलता है दैट यू आर नॉट वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट, ओके, एंड यू आर नॉट वेरी मच श्योर अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. या कभी हैंडशेक करते वक्त हाथ को यूं यूं कभी सहला मत देना किसी के. आप हैंडशेक करो तो एक फर्म हैंडशेक होना चाहिए, फर्म, एकदम टाइट भी नहीं कि उसके हाथ में दर्द हो जाए, बट अ फर्म वन, ओके, दैट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस विद योर फ्रेंड्स. मैं अपने क्या कहते हैं उसको ट्रेडिशनल क्लासरूम में I used to do it and I used to tell them how you should do the handshake. So make sure that you do a firm handshake because that gives a very good impression to the interviewer that you are confident enough about who you are and you are presentable. Next thing is sit still with your feet firmly on the ground. I can make sure that यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं कोई भी सीधे नहीं बैठ सकता, ना तो उसकी बैकबोन स्ट्रेट रहती होगी और उसकी अगर वो टेबल चेयर पे बैठा है तो उसके पैर यूं 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 हमेशा शेक हो रहे होते हैं नॉर्मली, जनरली मैं बता रही हूँ, मोस्टली सबके होते हैं, ठीक है? आप कभी भी ग्राउंड पे पूरा पैर रख के बैठते नहीं हो. You keep on shaking yourself, moving your body here and there. That is not good. That gives very wrong impression. So what you should do is sit straight with your backbone straight. You look straight, and your feet should be on ground. Do not cross your legs like this. नीचे बैठ के ऐसे क्रॉस मत कर लेना पैरों को, ठीक है? नीचे बिल्कुल ऐसे होने चाहिए, straight, with a proper gap between your two legs. Proper gap मतलब appropriate gap. ऐसे भी मत करके बैठ जाना. It has to be ऐसे, ठीक है? So this will help you maintain your posture and avoid fidgeting. Fidgeting समझ गए ना? ऐसे 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 जो हम करते हैं, that is fidgeting. Avoid that. Remember your CV details. आप जब जा रहे हैं जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए, you have prepared a resume, और resume में आपके बारे में चीजें लिखी गई हैं जो आपको खुद को पता होना चाहिए. You need to be very much particular about the things which you have mentioned in the CV. Never mention anything which you yourself do not know about or you yourself is not confident about. ठीक है? कई ऐसे लोग होते हैं कि दूसरे के CV का कंटेंट अपनी CV पे चेप के चले जाते हैं that look, I have the best CV. But remember, whatever is written in there in your CV has to be there in you also. Whatever you have done, only write those things because they will cross question you. And if you will get stuck, you will be out in the first round. Next one is make a note of your questions. As I told you, you should also have some questions for your interviewer. If you think that is appropriate or relevant, go for it. And if you think that you will forget about those questions, you can simply keep a notepad and you can write down the questions over there and you can take it out at a, at a proper time, and then you can ask the questions which are important. And the last thing over here says, it's just as important for the interviewer to sell the benefits of working at their business as it is for you to impress your next potential employer. जैसे कि एम्प्लॉयर के लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है कि वो इंटरव्यू में अपने आप को, अपने बेनिफिट्स को सेल कर सके, उसी तरीके से आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप भी अपने नेक्स्ट एम्प्लॉयर को जो आपको हायर करने जा रहा है, आप उसको अपने अंदर वो चीजें दिखा सको या एक तरह से अपने आप को सेल करो. सेल करने के लिए क्या करना होता है? उस प्रोडक्ट की अच्छी क्वालिटीज बतानी होती है. दैट यू आर ऑल्सो सपोज टू डू. जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute, guys. I have a very important call. I think there is somebody at my door. to deliver something. So just give me 1 minute, huh? Yes, okay guys, so these were your do's जो आपको करने ही चाहिए, ठीक है? I hope I'm audible to you, right? Okay, so these were the do's which you should do when you are going for an interview. Next one is don't. Again, it's not working. Wait. Is my screen visible? Cool. Just present it. Hold on. So now I'm going to talk about those points which you should not do. So these are don'ts for you. Turn up late to the interview. As I've already told you, whenever you're going for an interview, you need to even plan your journey to the interview. ताकि आप जब इंटरव्यू वेन्यू पे पहुंचो तो आप अपने टाइम से कम 15 से 20 मिनट पहले या हाफ एन आवर पहले पहुंचो. Please do not be late for the interview because that gives a very, very bad impression for the first time. So if for some reason on the day it's unavoidable, call ahead to let your interviewer know your expected time of arrival. It might happen, guys, that there is some emergency or due to this transport thing or something happens, because it's a normal world and sometimes things happens which is unexpected. Then what you can do is you can simply inform the person over there who is contacting you. Maybe that person is the HR. So you can call the HR over there and you can tell that person that I am going to be late because this is the reason, and the reason should be valid, guys. ये नहीं कि मैं सुबह लेट उठा मैम इसलिए आज मैं लेट आ रहा हूँ. No, please. ये मे बी स्ट्राइक हो जाए पूरी सिटी में, उस दिन बहुत भारी बारिश हो जाए जैसे दिल्ली में आजकल होती है, और वाटर लॉगिंग हो जाए इसलिए आपको ट्रांसपोर्ट मिलने में मुश्किल हो, then definitely in advance you inform to the interview. Next one is dress up sloppily or inappropriately. ऐसा please मत करना. Not sure what to wear, read our guidelines. Means I have already told you those guidelines. क्या पहनना है, अगर आप श्योर नहीं हो तो कुछ भी पहनकर मत चले जाओ. उससे पहले ढूंढ लो कि आपको क्या पहनकर जाना चाहिए ऐसे जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए. और मैं बता दूं आपको, हर जगह हर जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए आप उसी वे में नहीं जा सकते हो. डिफरेंट जॉब्स के लिए डिफरेंट एक यूनिफॉर्म और different uniforms are expected. Like if you are going for a teaching job, we are supposed to go in either western formals, or you simply go in sari. That too, a sari should be very, very decent and formal, and it should be tied in a formal way too. Then smoke before your interview. If you people have a habit of smoking, or if you grow a habit of smoking later on in your life, please make sure that you do not smoke before your interview, because if you smoke, it stinks a lot for a long duration of time. ठीक है? इनफैक्ट जब तक आप नहीं बात ले लेते हो, जब तक आप अपनी यूनिफॉर्म को चेंज नहीं करोगे, it will keep on stinking. Just give me 1 minute. There's something on my door. I have to pick it up. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, please do not create nuisance. I'll be just back. 1 minute. Huh? So the moment I leave, 1 second. Huh? Hello. Yes, guys. Okay, I'm back. The moment I leave the class, you people start chatting, na? Presentable means, ma'am. Who is saying presentable means? Who doesn't know about presentable means? You have to look presentable means definitely you have to follow those norms which I have told you. You have to follow the uniform thing which I have told you that you need to be in a proper uniform. Along with that, you should look hygienic. You should look tidy. Do not look scruffy or unkempt. अब आप पूछोगे unkempt और scruffy क्या होता है? I'll explain you later on. Second, and the last point says that volunteer your weaknesses. Whilst honesty is always the best policy, there is no need to volunteer your shortfalls unless asked directly. कहने का मतलब ये है guys कि आप अपने से ही अपनी weaknesses मत बताने लगना until unless specifically कोई आपसे पूछे. Honesty is the best policy that we all know since childhood. लेकिन इतना honest आपके काम में होना आपके लिए भारी पड़ सकता है, and that too on the very first day. So make sure that you are not that much honest. Whatever you speak, think before you speak. And weaknesses में भी मैंने आपको बताया कि आपने वही weakness point out करनी है जो weakness आपके लिए as a weakness नहीं, एक तरह से company के लिए beneficial साबित हो. ठीक है? So that's all about the do's and don'ts, and we are done. So that's all, guys. That is all about interview skills. Now I'm open for your questions. You people can ask your questions. You can raise your questions. I'll answer to your questions. And yes, then at the end, I'll give you certain phrases which are important for you. वो आप अपने workplace पे use करोगे. अभी I will go for the questions. Yes, can we hear it from people? Guys, you can raise your hand and ask your questions, whatever questions you have in your mind. Raise your hands in the reaction box. Raise your hands in your reaction box. आज आपको last मौका दिया जाता है question पूछने के लिए. किसी को आज कोई question ही नहीं पूछना. वाह, अरे ये कैसे हो गया? अपूर्व आनंद, are you all right? Or are you suffering from fever? No? Uday Shankar has some question. Uday, let me hear it from you.
हेलो मैम. हेलो मैम.
Hi, Uday.
मैम जैसे इंटरव्यू के सामने आई कांटेक्ट करेंगे, लंबे समय तक आई कांटेक्ट करने से बहुत ऑड लगने लगता है, तो इसको कैसे अवॉइड करें?
उसको कैसे अवॉइड करें? डेफिनेटली आप जब बोल रहे होंगे तो आपको तो आई कांटेक्ट करना ही होगा, और वो जब बोल रहा होगा तो आपको आई कांटेक्ट करना ही होगा. यू कैन नॉट अवॉइड एट दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट. दैट विल नॉट मेक यू फील ऑकवर्ड उदय. दैट इज फाइन. जस्ट बी फोकस्ड. ठीक है? कोई और चीज नोटिस मत करने लगना इंटरव्यूअर में, नहीं तो वो तुम्हें भी ऑकवर्ड कर देगा और उसे भी ऑकवर्ड कर देगा. बस स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन व्हाट ही और शी इज सेइंग, and then you also stay focused on what you are saying. Automatically आप अपना आई कांटेक्ट उसके साथ कर पाओगे. मुझे नहीं लगता, मैं 2-2 3-3 घंटे भी इंटरव्यू में रही हूँ एंड मैं आई कांटेक्ट कर लेती हूँ. ठीक है? क्योंकि उस वक्त मैं बस इतने पे फोकस रहती हूँ कि वो क्या बोल रहा है और मुझे क्या जवाब देना है. मैं किसी चीज से चूक ना जाऊं, इस पे फोकस रहती हूँ. तो आई कांटेक्ट करना doesn't give you that conscious वाली फीलिंग. ठीक है उदय? Have you ever felt that situation?
मैम प्रॉब्लम वहाँ पे क्रिएट होता है जब ये सोचने लगते हैं कि उसके आंख में देखना है, उसके बाद प्रॉब्लम होने लगता है.
ये नहीं सोचना है कि मुझे उसके आंख में देखना है. अब एकदम आंख में ही ऐसे करके तो नहीं देखना है ना.
यस यस मैम.
क्या करना है, आपने बस कोशिश करनी है कि आप सिर्फ उसके तरफ देख रहे हो. It's not necessary that you have to come close and make an eye contact with that person. No, no, no. Just sit comfortably and make sure that आप थोड़ा सा उधर ही देख रहे हो. अब ऐसा तो नहीं मैं पूरे टाइम ऐसे करके कैमरे में देख रही हूँ, लेकिन आपको ये तो लग रहा है ना कि मैं आप सबको देख रही हूँ. बीच बीच में मैं नाम लेती रहती हूँ कि भाई ऐसा मत सोचना कि तुम कैमरा ऑन करके बैठे हो 60 नहीं, अब 66 लोग हैं, 66 लोगों के बीच में, तो मैं तुम्हें इग्नोर कर रही हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है. मैं तुम सबको देख रही हूँ. जैसे अभी श्री शैलम जो है अभी मुंह खोल के ऊपर देख रहा था सीलिंग की तरफ ऐसे. ठीक है? तनीषा को जब ऐसी बातें मैं बोलती हूँ वो एकदम स्ट्रेट रहती है, इतना ऐसे कर देती है, फिर वो ऐसे कहीं से मूवमेंट नहीं लाती है, बस यहाँ तक जाता है फिर ये वापस आ जाता है, दैट्स इट। और सैयद ऐसे ऐसे करता रहता है, वो कई बारी गाने सुनता रहता है, कई बारी पेन घुमाता रहता है कैमरे के ऊपर। सो मैं सिर्फ 2 आंखों से इतना सब कुछ ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ, ठीक है। इट मीन्स मैं पूरे कॉन्स्टेंटली एक ही तरफ नहीं देख रही हूँ, लेकिन आपको ये रियलाइज भी नहीं होने देती हूँ कि मैं आपकी तरफ नहीं देख रही हूँ। तो वो थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट आप कर सकते हो अपने आईज का, यू डोंट हैव टू स्टिक लाइक दिस, यू आर नॉट रोबोट, ओके।
मैम मेरा आई कांटेक्ट बहुत ही मतलब वीक है, और हमको लगते रहता है कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा ज्यादा समय तक देखेंगे।
तो
इस तरह
तुम्हारे
का।
साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ है बेटा, एक्सपीरियंस गंदा हो गया है तुम्हारा कि तुम इतना डरते हो कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा, ठीक है। देखो मैं एक चीज बताती हूँ, ऐसा ना कुछ लोगों के साथ होता है, हाँ ऐसा हमारे साथ भी कई बार होता है कि हम ऐसे जाते हैं और हम, मेरा इंटेंशन नहीं होता, मतलब हमारा ऐसा इंटेंशन नहीं होता कि हम किसी चीज को एकदम घूर के देखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कुछ सोचने लगते हैं और हम जहां देख रहे हैं वहीं देखते रह जाते हैं, और सामने वाला उस चीज की वजह से कॉन्शियस हो जाता है, इनफैक्ट आके पूछ भी देता है भाई क्यों घूर रहे हो मुझे, है ना, ऐसा होता है।
यस मैम।
हम, वो हमारी गलती नहीं है, वो अगेन अ ह्यूमन नेचर, and it happens with lots and lots of people. Abhi recently I went to, on 12th of September, when I gave you holiday, it was my husband's birthday. On that day we went out to a restaurant. A lady was sitting just in front of me. She was a lady, okay, of quite 55 to 60 years old, and then she was looking at me like this.
Yes, ma'am.
भाई साहब मैं पहले शेक पी रही हूँ फिर भी वो मुझे देख रही है, then I started eating dosa, she was looking at me. I was becoming conscious. Then I asked my husband, do you think मेरे face पे कुछ लगा है? He said, no. Do you think आज मैंने कुछ अलग तरीके से ड्रेसअप कर लिया है? नहीं। मैंने कहा मेकअप ओवर हो गया है? अरे नहीं, हुआ क्या है? Look at that lady, man. उसकी पलक भी नहीं झपक रही थी. She was not even blinking. She was looking at me like this, in spite of the fact that her husband was sitting in front of her. He was busy eating dosa and she was busy looking at me, making me feel so conscious, so conscious. A girl who is so confident, तुमने उसको conscious कर दिया, तो सोचो वो कैसे मुझे घूर रही होंगी. Then after some time, I started looking at her and staring at her. What is her problem? I realized that she was like thinking about something, and वो जहां देखती थी वहीं देखती रह जाती थी, और गलती उसकी नहीं थी, हम उसके सामने ही बैठे थे उसके जस्ट, तो उसकी नजर मेरे ऊपर पड़ रही थी. ऐसे में हम सोचने लगते हैं कि ऐसा क्या सोचे. आपको ऐसे इंटरव्यूअर भी मिलेंगे, ठीक है, जो आपको कॉन्शियस कर देंगे, ठीक है, वो आपके इधर उधर देखेंगे, ऐसे ऐसे इधर इधर, कि आपने क्या पहना हुआ है, आपने क्या ड्रेसअप किया हुआ है. उससे आप क्या होगे, डिस्ट्रैक्ट होने की बहुत चांसेस होते हैं. आप जो बोल रहे होगे आप भूल जाओगे, एंड यू विल स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट योरसेल्फ कि अबे यार इधर क्या देख रही है, शर्ट पे कुछ लगा है क्या, ऐसा, ठीक है, ऐसी वाली फीलिंग देते हैं. तो आपको अपने आप को इतना कॉन्फिडेंट करके अंदर जाना है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, डोंट गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड.
लगा भी है तो फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए.
हाँ ठीक है, डजंट मैटर.
Yes.
सैयद जी पूछना चाहेंगे आप कुछ? उदय, आई होप आई हैव आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन.
मैम इसको इम्प्रूव कैसे किया जाए, मतलब कि मेरा बहुत ही ज्यादा वीक है.
मेरे जैसे बन जाओ यार उदय. आई एम टू एनीबडी, डोंट. मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि मैं मुंह खोल के गोलगप्पे बाहर खा रही हूँ तो मुझे कोई देख रहा होगा तो ओ माय गॉड क्या सोचेगा कि भुक्कड़ है. आई डोंट केयर. मुझे गोलगप्पे खाने हैं तो खाने हैं, जिसको जो सोचना है सोचो, जिसको जितनी सोफिस्टिकेशन दिखानी है दिखा लो. एक सोफिस्टिकेटेड जगह पे भी मैं नॉर्मल तरीके से रहती हूँ, ठीक है. डोसा के लिए भी बहुत लोग वहाँ फोक और चम्मच कांटे से खा रहे थे, ठीक है, खाना चाहिए, दैट इज गुड, दैट्स अ गुड हैबिट. लेकिन ठीक है गाइस, आप डोसे को कैसे काटते रहोगे और फोक, और फील चली जाती है. Then I started eating. और साउथ इंडियन सब लोग हाथ से ही खाते हैं. You will observe that. You eat that your omelette and things. जब बहुत sophisticated जगह पे जाओ, ठीक है भाई, knife लो. And as I said that I live with a person who is very much groomed. He has lots and lots of etiquette. Huh? He uses that. And in front of him, I use my hands to eat. Yes. And I have made him also realize that it's good to be normal. It's good to be normal. But yes, where you have to show your etiquettes, there please try to show etiquette. आने आपको सब कुछ चीजें चाहिए, appropriate जगह पे appropriate चीजें करो and be confident about yourself. Got my point, Uday?
Yes ma'am, thank you ma'am.
You're most welcome, Uday. आज सिर्फ तुम क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए सामने आए हो, आज तक तुम कभी सामने नहीं आए. बुरा लगा मुझसे बात करके? मैं काटने को दौड़ रही हूँ किसी को? नहीं ना? Then why you people were not coming on camera? Say, speak.
No ma'am.
What no ma'am? Why were you not coming on camera then?
Sorry ma'am.
ये आई कांटेक्ट नहीं कर सकता, 2 बार हिल चुका है, सिर्फ मैंने सिर्फ उसकी तरफ देख के बात करी. तो make a habit of making an eye contact with the right person in a confident way. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. Next question, Rahul Prabhakar.
Ma'am, how will I continue with IOL?
So I'll come back to you. Rahul, you ask.
Ma'am, how will I continue with IOL?
How will I continue with
IOL.
IOL? Contact me.
Oh, ma'am.
You can message me. Hi, this is Rahul Prabhakar.
Where,
I
ma'am?
like to go for IOL. Then I will talk about it. Okay?
Ma'am, where I message?
Where you message on WhatsApp, you will message. No, you all have my number in your group. People have my number in the group.
No, ma'am. I haven't.
This is trainer.
What, ma'am?
Been introduced as a trainer over there. I'm the admin जहाँ पे लिखा होगा काजल सिंह.
Sorry, ma'am. I haven't.
Keep to it, you will find my number over there. नहीं तो तुम्हारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको पता है, they will give it to you. Okay, Rahul?
Okay, ma'am.
But only those who are genuine can message me. Don't send me any kind of personal messages because I don't read my messages. My messages are read by my husband and you'll get an answer from him. Tanisha, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, you always say selfishness is the order of the day. What does it mean?
Selfishness is the order of the day का मतलब होता है कि आजकल सभी लोग स्वार्थी हैं.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Taranji.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me something about leadership, like how to make a effective leadership.
How to have an effective leadership quality?
Yeah.
For that, definitely broaden your horizon of your knowledge, right?
Okay.
More and more knowledge you have, more and more you're confident about that knowledge, and you're more confident about your language, your communication skills, you will become a good leader.
Okay. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Ankit.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, if there are 7 to 8 combined questions and while answering I missed some of the questions, then what should I do?
What shall I do? You can simply say, pardon ma'am or pardon sir, I didn't get the second thing which you asked. Can you please repeat? इतनी भोली शक्ल बना के इतने प्यार से बोलो, कोई भी repeat कर दे.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. Or you can simply ask that person, sir, did I miss anything? If I have missed, could you please repeat the same question? Could you, could, would, please, ये word सीख लो और आदत डालो उससे निकालने की, ठीक है?
Okay.
खुशबू कुमारी.
यस मैम. स्टेज फियर मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों के बीच बोलने में थोड़ा सा वो डर लगने लगता है. उसके बाद पूरा हार्ट बीट इंक्रीज हो जाता है. उसके बाद क्या होता है कि बोलना बहुत फास्ट हो जाता है, तो जिससे लोग मेरी बातों को समझ नहीं पाते हैं बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, और ये बहुत बार होता है.
और इसलिए आप घबराते हो बोलने से, राइट?
यस मैम. जैसे कि नॉर्मल पीपल से तो बात करना तो वो हो जाता है, लेकिन जब भी कोई टीचर या मतलब वो स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर को देखते हैं, मतलब अंदर से बहुत डर लगने लगता है, और ये सब होता है.
It's okay. सबके साथ ऐसा होता है खुशबू, ऐसा मेरे साथ भी हमेशा ही होता है। मेरे सामने भी आज भी तुम किसी अच्छे इंसान को ला करके खड़ा कर दोगे तो मेरे पैर हाथ कांपने लगते हैं। और मेरी एक डीमेरिट है कि मेरे हाथ से मेरे पाम में बहुत पसीना होता है व्हेन आई गेट नर्वस एंड एंग्शियस अबाउट एनीथिंग। पसीना होता है कि वो टपकने लगता है यहाँ से, ठीक है। बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स में आई यूज टू कीप हैंकी ताकि मेरा पूरा पेपर गीला ना हो जाए, ठीक है। तो मैं भी बहुत एंग्शियस में से हूँ, एक ऐसे इंसान हूँ जो बहुत एंग्शियस फील करता है, बहुत कॉन्शियस फील करता है। लेकिन वी आर द वन हु हैव टू ओवरकम दिस। अगर आप समझ लोगे, ये जान लोगे खुशबू कि आपके अंदर जो चीजें हैं वो अच्छी हैं, आपके पास जो नॉलेज है वो परफेक्ट है, और आप अपनी तैयारी पूरी करके जाओगे ना, कभी एंग्शियस फील नहीं करोगे। दूसरी चीज मैंने हमेशा बोला, ये कभी मत सोचो कि सामने वाला मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा। ये सोचकर हमेशा जाओ कि मुझे अभी क्या बोलना है, इसके बाद मुझे क्या बोलना है, और इसके साथ मेरे को और क्या चीजें बोलनी चाहिए जो अप्रोप्रिएट है सिचुएशन पे। कई चीजें मैं आपके लिए प्रिपेयर करके नहीं आती हूँ, लेकिन मैं बोलती हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि उस सिचुएशन पे वो चीज मुझे सुटेबल लगती है आपसे इंटरेक्ट करते वक्त। फिर मैं ये नहीं सोचती कि रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है तो क्या मुझे ये चीज बोलनी चाहिए, क्या मुझे कैसे जज कर रहे होंगे, यहाँ पे बड़े बड़े लड़के भी हैं, शुड आई गेट कॉन्शियस अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स। अगर मैं ऐसा सोचूंगी खुशबू, तो आपको लगता है मैं इतना बोल पाऊंगी?
नो मैम।
इसीलिए ये नहीं सोचना कि आपके सामने वाला इंसान आपके बारे में क्या सोच रहा है या आपके बारे में क्या जजमेंट्स बनाकर जाएगा तो अपने घर जाएगा, क्या करना है हमें उससे। इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट आवर बॉडी, राइट खुशबू? तो सिर्फ आपको अपना के जाना है कहीं भी कि मेरे पास जो कंटेंट है, आई एम वेरी मच श्योर अबाउट माय कंटेंट, आई एम वेरी मच श्योर अबाउट माय नॉलेज, एंड आई नो द वे आई एम ड्रेस्ड अप, आई एम लुकिंग प्रीटी गुड। गॉट माय पॉइंट खुशबू?
यस मैम।
अपने आप को कहीं से भी डिमोरलाइज नहीं करना है, नहीं मतलब नहीं, ठीक है?
यस मैम।
Like when nowadays I have gained a lot of weight from last 2 years actually. When it was corona, I gained approximately 10 kgs. Okay, I have started looking very flabby. People say, in fact, in spite of the fact that I was having my marriage was scheduled on 7th of July. I didn't lose even a single inch. I was looking fat. People made fun of me at my in-laws' place. They laughed, they tried to pass on comments. I didn't care. I didn't care. I was confident about my looks. I was confident about myself. I danced. I enjoyed every single moment of my marriage. In spite of the fact that there were people who were laughing, were passing on comments. But at certain point, when they saw my confidence, they all shut down and they went away. You know, पूरी stage खाली हो गई थी. Then that was only one person. That was my day and I enjoyed. So be confident about yourself that much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
This will help you.
मैम कुछ ड्रेसिंग सेंस क्या होगा इंटरव्यू के लिए? उस समय मेरा नेट नहीं बंद था।
ड्रेसिंग सेंस में क्या होता है, आप जनरली अगर किसी मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज में जाते हो खुशबू, देन यू शुड पुट ऑन फॉर्मल ट्राउजर, ठीक है? ट्राउजर होनी चाहिए, शर्ट पहनो आप, ट्राउजर का कलर डार्क हो, शर्ट के कलर्स आपके लाइट हो, और आपका शर्ट हमेशा कोशिश ये करनी चाहिए कि सॉलिड शर्ट पहन के जाओ। सॉलिड मतलब प्लेन शर्ट पहन कर जाओ। मेकअप आपका ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई भी चीज ओवर नहीं होनी चाहिए। हाँ, क्रीम आप जरूर लगा के जाओ जिससे कि ऑयली ना हो आपका फेस। देन यू शुड पुट लाइट 1 stroke of काजल। यू शुड हैव प्रॉपर पोनीज, मतलब योर हेयर शुड बी टाइड। आप बाल खोलकर कभी नहीं जाओगे। योर प्रॉपर हेयर शुड बी प्रॉपरली टाइड। गुथ बना के मत चले जाना। टाइड का मतलब एक पोनी, नॉर्मल पोनी कर लो, ओके? या फॉर्मल तरीके से जुड़ा होता है, यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो। देन पुट अ वॉच, एक घड़ी पहन सकते हो जिसके डायल और बेल्ट बिल्कुल डिसेंट हो। देन यू कैन हैव अ वेरी माइल्ड परफ्यूम, क्योंकि स्टिंक मत करना गाइस। ये मत सोचना कि हमें परफ्यूम लगानी ही नहीं चाहिए, परफ्यूम लगानी चाहिए। मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, टू एवरीवन, you should smell good. You should always smell good. Even if you're not going for an interview, you should always smell good. For that, you can put a very mild perfume or deo or body mists that are available in the market, and that is not very much expensive also. So try to use those things and go for an interview with a confident, with a confident personality. And yes, shoes में you can put on a very subtle heels और जो कि closed हो. Sandals or flip flops नहीं चलते.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Welcome. Now I have कौन हाथ उठा रहा था? शैलम क्या बोलना चाहते हो? परेशान आप?
Ma'am, I have two questions. First one is that your number is not visible in the group.
Huh?
Your number is not visible in the group.
My number is not visible in the group. Oh wow, that's very nice. Then
No, ma'am. Actually, Rahul wanted it.
it is visible. I think Apurv is saying. Apurv, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Visible, Sri Shalam. I'll tell you why. Because there are lots and lots of students who have messaged me personally, जिनको मुझे block करना पड़ा था because they were asking rubbish questions to me. So I know my number is visible in the group.
Okay, only tell your the ending number.
7-2.
Okay. And the second question is that, ma'am, where to use could, would?
Where to use could and would. Could can be
Yeah.
used wherever you are trying to be polite and you are asking for permission. इसे modal verbs कहा जाता है. Could और would हो गया, may, might, ये सारे modal verbs है जो कि बहुत बहुत important होते हैं. Like जैसे अगर आपको किसी से permission लेना है, could you please, या जैसे आप पूछ रहे हो कि क्या आप मुझे वो pass कर देंगे? So could you please pass that file to me, or could you please bring a glass of water for me? Could you please जो होता है वो बहुत ही polite होता है. Can से भी आप पूछ सकते हो, लेकिन can इतना polite नहीं होता. और जब हमें किसी से ऑप्शन में पूछना हो, would you like to have some tea or coffee? Ma'am, would you like to know anything else about me? So you will ask with would you like to. Will you नहीं, would you like to. Got it?
Got it. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Then another person is Aryan. Aryan, may I know what are your questions?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aryan.
मैम जैसे कि हम लोग इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे जाने के बाद जो हमारे सामने जो भी बैठे हुए रहते हैं, तो जो भी क्वेश्चन वो हमसे पूछते हैं तो पूछते टाइम ज्यादा घबराहट होता है, उसको कैसे दूर किया जाता है?
जब वो पूछते हैं तो आपको घबराहट होती है या आप पूछते हो तो घबराहट होती है?
वो पूछते हैं तो कि पता नहीं कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, और जो क्वेश्चन जानते हैं वो भी सामने वाले के कारण, डर के कारण भूल जाते हैं।
अच्छा, एक बात मुझे बताओ आर्यन, आप कहीं इंटरव्यू देने जाओगे तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा?
भाइवा देते हैं तो जो टीचर जैसे कुछ भी पूछते हैं तो जो क्वेश्चन जानते हैं वो भी भूल जाते हैं।
हाँ, तो ये अपने दिमाग में रखो कि आप जब वाइवा भी देने गए हो तो जो टीचर आपके सामने बैठा है वो आपको मारेगा तो नहीं अगर आंसर नहीं आता? मारेगा
No,
क्या?
ma'am.
क्या
No,
वो
ma'am.
आपकी इंसल्ट करेगा?
No, ma'am.
क्या आपको डांटेगा?
No, ma'am.
क्या वो आपका चाचा लग रहा है कि आपको बाद में आकर के बेइज्जती करेगा?
No, ma'am.
तो फिर डरना क्यों है? वो तो कुछ नहीं करेगा ना। एटलीस्ट जो आता है उसके मार्क्स तो आपको चाहिए, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Yes,
बस
ma'am.
इतना ही ध्यान रखो कि ये कोई नहीं है मेरा, इसे मुझे कभी फेस नहीं करना है। आई नो व्हाट आई नो एंड आई हैव टू आंसर दैट। जो नहीं आता है, यू कैन सिंपली से सॉरी सर, आई डू नॉट नो द आंसर। यू कैन प्रोसीड विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। और अगर आता है, देन ट्राई। You can say that, sir, I'm not very much sure about it, but yes, definitely I would like to try. And you can just try with something, whatever you know, you give the answer, and then you can say, sir, that is it. That's all I know about this. Sir, you can proceed with the next question. Akhat?
Okay, once more question, ma'am. Can or could में can और could कहाँ यूज करते हैं, मैम? What is difference between can और could?
कैन और कुड डिफरेंस नहीं है। देखो, कैन जो है वो हम एबिलिटी के लिए बात करते हैं और कई बार हम परमिशन लेने के लिए भी कैन का यूज करते हैं। लेकिन कैन का अगर यूज करोगे आप परमिशन लेते हुए तो आप लाइट साउंड नहीं करते। सॉरी।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, तो जैसे कैन आई कैन, अगर मैं अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ आई कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। ये मेरी एबिलिटी बता रहा है। ठीक है, आई कुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश अर्लियर, ये कुड जो है पास्ट बता रहा है कि पास्ट में मैं बोल सकती थी। लेकिन जब मैं क्वेश्चन के लिए यूज करती हूँ तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी पोलाइट विद कुड, लाइक कुड यू प्लीज ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर फॉर मी, कुड यू प्लीज आंसर माय कॉल, कुड यू प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। गॉट माय पॉइंट?
यस मैम।
और मुझे अगर आपसे ज्यादा पोलाइट नहीं होता तो नॉर्मली मैं बोलूंगी कैन यू प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा, ठीक है, इन अ नॉर्मल टोन.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You are most welcome, Aryan. Now we have Saurav. I'll come to you, Apur. I can see your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, am I audible?
You are audible. Go ahead.
And my question is that should we take part in GD where the fish market has been going on?
Sorry?
Should we take part in GD group discussion where the fish market has been going on?
Yes, you should definitely go for group discussion. You are asking for group discussion, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
for it. Yes, I know that people speak like a fish market over there. They are not ready to listen to you. But what you can do is simply put forth those points at an appropriate point of time. क्या होता है, लोग अपने आप को ज्यादा लाउड होकर के बोलने लगते हैं, लेकिन वहां पे कोई एक ऐसा इंसान होना चाहिए उनको स्टॉप करने के लिए. और आपको क्या करना है, आप ऐसे पॉइंट्स पकड़ो उस वक्त सौरभ, इसीलिए कभी भी उस टॉपिक के बारे में अधूरी नॉलेज लेके मत जाओ, पूरी नॉलेज लेकर जाओ. हो सकता है कि सिर्फ आपने 4 पॉइंट से प्रिपेयर करे होंगे, ठीक है, और वो 4 पॉइंट्स बाकी सब पहले ही बोल दे, तो फिर आपके पास तो कुछ बचेगा नहीं बोलने के लिए. इसलिए हमेशा उस टॉपिक के बारे में वो चीजें आप जानने की कोशिश करो जो कॉमन ना हो. कॉमन जो चीजें होंगी वो तो पहले के 4 पॉइंट्स में ही सब बोल के खत्म कर देंगे. आपके पास हर चीज के लिए एक रीजन और एक वैलिड इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए, तो आपकी बात सुनने पे वो सारे मजबूर होंगे जो वहां फिश मार्केट की तरह चिल्ला रहे होते हैं.
कुछ कुछ ऐसे बंदे भी होते हैं जो अगर अच्छे पॉइंट पे है तो उसको वो काट देगा,
काट देगा तो काटने दो, तुम उसको काटने के लिए अपनी वर्ड्स रखो सामने. यू शुड ऑल्सो बी रेडी. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में और डिबेट में यही तो होता है दैट यू हैव टू बी रेडी विद ऑल दी पॉइंट्स, कि आप उसको क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो, उसको आप बोल सकते हो, ठीक है, आई एग्री विद यू टू एन एक्सटेंट, बट आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन दिस थिंग. ये इम्पैक्ट डालेगा कि उस बंदे को भी लगेगा अच्छा तू मेरे साथ एग्री कर रहा है, चल चल बोल, और तू क्या ऐड करना चाहता है, ठीक है. तो ऐसा कुछ सेंटेंस यूज किया करो. ब्रो या ब्रदर, यस डियर, आई एग्री विद यू.
जेंटलमैन.
Yes, gentleman, I agree with you. And yeah, नाम अगर उसका पता है तो definitely you can take his name. Name gives really good impact. And you can simply, Saurav, I agree with you to an extent, but I would like to mention this thing. What I know and what is my perception on this is this. ठीक है, आप directly बोलने लगोगे ना corruption ऐसे है, corruption वैसे, nobody is going to listen. Make an impact by pointing out to that person जो सबसे ज्यादा loud है. Getting?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Thank
These
you.
are simple tricks. You're most welcome. कोई था जो, yeah, Apur, what would you like to say? ऋतुराज को आज मैंने अनकंफर्टेबल
लास्ट
तक मैंने फॉर्मल्स में बिठा दिया, वो भी नॉट को एकदम यहाँ तक बांध के ना. Become comfortable, Ritu. Now you can remove it. It's okay. Tomorrow just be ready with it because कल मैं सबसे पहले तुम्ही से स्टार्ट करूंगी ऋतुराज, ठीक है. आज तुम्हें मैंने वेट करा दिया और टाइम ओवर होने वाला है.
Yes, ma'am. As you says that today is last Q&A, so I want to, before asking my question, I want to say that thank you, ma'am, as you had make me realize the core problem where I'm facing problem in speaking English, and you have made in myself 2 habits. One is consistency and other is speak in front of public. These are 2. Consistency with energy. This is the most important habit that I adopted from this class. And last, I want to ask you that what are the weaknesses that you found in myself, and what are the things that you suggest me to work on it so that I improve on it in the last 9 sessions.
Okay. Apurva, I would like to mention that definitely thank you so much for appreciating my efforts, and I feel overwhelmed and humbled that I have touched your life in any way in just 9 days, and that's a good thing for me, and again going to be very much motivating for me to work on other people as well in the same way, as I'm going to have so many projects with AKU. So yes, that's a good thing. And Apurv, yes, I would like to mention few things. I just don't say it as weaknesses. Okay, these are certain areas on which you will work, and definitely, I'm very much sure that if I'm telling you, you will work on it. As we have created a rapport, इसको rapport कहते हैं. हमने एक rapport build कर लिया है. That whatever I say, you understand and you implement in your life. Okay, so I'm very much sure when I'm telling you these things, you will accept it and you will apply in your life and you will improve and become the best version of yourself. Okay, what first thing you have to work on is your language, because there are grammatical errors which are very, very prominent. Anybody can sense it. As you asked me right now, when you made a sentence and you said, ma'am, can you tell me the weaknesses in myself? Myself नहीं होगा वहां पे, ठीक है? क्योंकि myself एक reflexive pronoun है जिसको हम सिर्फ तब यूज करते हैं जब हम ही सब्जेक्ट हो और हम ही एक्शन को रिसीव भी कर रहे हो, मतलब हम ही ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो, ठीक है? लेकिन यहाँ पे वो केस नहीं था. यहाँ पे आप मुझे सब्जेक्ट बना रहे हो, that you have to tell and you have to tell something about me, not myself. You have to put yourself in the object and me in the object or subject. ठीक है? So आप me लिखोगे, not myself. Can you tell me the weaknesses you found in me? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So first thing and the foremost thing is that you have to work on your language. Second thing, that if you have started with this consistency and this energy, definitely please go ahead with it. It can be sometimes very boring, Apurva, but at that particular time, make sure that आप अपनी हिम्मत को थोड़ा सा बांध कर रखो and for a change, एक दो दिन का गैप दे दो, मत पढ़ो इंग्लिश. थोड़ा से चेंज के लिए उसमें कुछ और क्रिएटिव ऐड कर लो. उस पूरे दिन आप कोई ऐसी सीरीज देख लो जिसमें ज्यादा इंग्लिश और कम हिंदी बोली गई हो. ठीक है, आजकल OTT पे यू हैव सो मेनी सीरीज जो जिसमें इंग्लिश यूज की जाती हैं, जो इंटरेस्टिंग होगी आपके लिए, आप वो देख लो. कोई स्टोरी पढ़ लो, कोई नॉवल पढ़ लो, कोई और बुक पढ़ लो, कुछ और देख लो, मूवी देख लो, फॉर अ चेंज. लेकिन इंग्लिश का रिदम मत छोड़ना. थ्रू आउट योर करियर, आई एम टेलिंग यू, start speaking more and start spending time more with that person who speaks in English. That will definitely help you out in improving your English. Got my point? जिस दिन ये तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज सुधर जाएगी ना, बाकी तुम्हारी सारी चीजें सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगी. और ये तुम आज लिख के कहीं रख लो और तुम ये याद करोगे कि यस मैम टोल्ड मी दैट ओनली लैंग्वेज इज द थिंग आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन. जिस दिन इसके ऊपर कंसिस्टेंसी हो गई, I'll just give you a small example of it. My younger sister is in class yes, she was in class 7 when I went to Varanasi and I was pursuing my B.Ed. So she is my Masi's daughter. Okay, she was not at all good at English, not at all.
Yes,
That is why she was weak in all the subjects except for maths. Maths में भी जहाँ पे word problems आते थे, she used to get stuck. ठीक है, बाकी क्योंकि इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं थी, she was not good in SST, she was not good in science, she was not good in English obviously. हिंदी में she used to get 99 as it was हिंदी. ठीक है, उसमें भी मात्राएं गलत हो जाती तो 1 मार्क्स कट जाते थे उसके. And Sanskrit, again, it was a difficult language and different language. She was very poor into it. Computer knowledge she had in practical, but theory mein she used to get less marks just because of English. As nowadays, our medium of conversation, communication, most of the time is English. So when I was there for complete 2 years, okay, she was very stubborn, I can say. Very stubborn that I will not study English, whatever be the condition. चाहे आप free of cost मुझे पढ़ाओ, चाहे आप best teacher होगे. उसी के school में I was selected as a teacher. I used to teach English in her class, but घर पे आके she was not ready to learn English from me. Then somehow I convinced her to do so, and within 6 months I started taking money for the tuition, ताकि वो बैठे ये सोच करके कि मेरी मम्मा ने पैसे दिए हैं इनको तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Then she did the that course of complete 4 or 5 months, okay? And now she's the topper in her class. She used to score maximum 63%, and now she's scoring 96-97% in her class, just because of English.
Yes,
and now
ma'am.
she's
Ma'am,
interested in her studies also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to mention one thing that you told me to work on grammar. But whenever I study grammar, it's became for me is passive learning. I didn't participate in it. You will give me syntax for active voice to passive voice or converting sentences. I can convert it, but to use it in daily life, I think I'm lacking something, the way to use it in daily life. And that is the point. I am lacking the right kind of sentences while using it or while speaking it.
Apurvanand, I can definitely understand reading or learning grammar with a book or something is kind of passive learning where you're not applying. And today, learning by doing ही सबसे appropriate way है किसी भी चीज को सीखने का. That is why I'm saying either you go for some course where you get an opportunity to speak. You're most welcome if you want to learn it from me. I'll make you learn in my class. तो मैं जितना ग्रामर करवाना होगा, ग्रामर के साथ मैं एक्टिविटी कराती हूँ. मैं सिर्फ ग्रामर नहीं बकती हूँ. एक दिन ग्रामर कराया तो नेक्स्ट डे जरूर एक्टिविटी होती है. वहीं पे एक्सरसाइज भी सॉल्व करा देती हूँ. आपके लिए कुछ नहीं छोड़ती कि आप घर जाओ एक्सरसाइज करो, मुझे पता नहीं करो. एक ग्रुप में जब आप काम करते हो आपको भी मजा आता है और आंसर करने में आपको अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज देयर यू फील दैट कॉम्पिटिशन, है ना, कि अच्छा मैंने सही जवाब देना, तो आप उस वक्त एक्सरसाइज भी कर लेते हो. तो जो सिंटेक्स आपने याद किया वो एक्सरसाइज वहीं आपने कर लिया. उस एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर एक एक्टिविटी होती है मेरे क्लास में जो कि फ्राइडे को हर फ्राइडे को लेती हूँ मैं. उस फ्राइडे की एक्टिविटी में मेरे सारे बैच के स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं एंड दे ऑल परफॉर्म ऑन देयर टॉपिक्स. सबके लेवल्स डिफरेंट होते हैं इसलिए सबके टॉपिक्स भी डिफरेंट होते हैं. उससे उनकी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इंप्रूव हो जाती है बिकॉज दे ग्रो अ हैबिट ऑफ स्पीकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. This is how I take my class, and I'll be teaching you the very basic thing, matlab basic grammar, which is very, very important. So
Yes.
that's what I can say, or else definitely talk to a person who is more knowledgeable than you in grammar and can correct you at every moment. जिसके सामने बात करते वक्त ये ना लगे कि ये मुझे टोकेगा तो मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. जिसके सामने आपको ये लगे कि वो आपको समझा कर अच्छे से बता सकता है. मैंने लिटरली उन लोगों को पढ़ाया है, अपूर्व एंड अदर members over here, I'm telling you, जो 60 years के हो गए हैं, जिन्होंने शायद 25 साल पहले अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ दी थी. ठीक है, उन लेडीज को जो घर बैठी हुई हाउस वाइफ थी, जिनको लगता था हम कभी इंग्लिश नहीं सीख सकते क्योंकि बच्चों के बीच में हम कैसे सीखेंगे, I made them comfortable and learn English in the way others do it. Right? So you people have to make yourself comfortable with the person जिसके साथ आप बात कर रहे हो. इतना comfortable कर लो कि अगर वो आपको criticize कर रहा हो तो उसको एक positive way में लेके उसे सही करो. I never make fun of anyone. I try to correct everybody. ठीक है, कि अभी मेरे सामने गलती कर रहे हो तो यही करेक्ट कर देती हूँ ताकि आगे आप कहीं गलती ना करो. Few people take it in a positive way. Few people take it otherwise also. कुछ होते हैं जो बहुत offended feel करते हैं कि मेरी इंग्लिश तो धारी है, ज्यादा अंग्रेज मत पाए. But that's okay. Doesn't matter. I do my job. ठीक है.
Yes.
Make yourself in like habitual of communicating with somebody who is there to guide you and correct you at right time.
Yes, ma'am. From last 2 days, as the place I'm living, there is not any person who is good enough in English to correct my English or find out the accent which I am developing due to my mother language. But I used to practice on Google Assistance, and due to that, I think that I'm a little bit improving in pronunciation. So, is it okay, or I have to do something more?
That is okay. You are improving. I can find out that your pronunciation has improved from the last day. That mother accent which was coming, or the tone which was coming due to your mother accent, is now not coming. It's just because you are practicing over there also, and it's because you are listening to me who has not got that accent. तो अब समझ में आया तुम्हें कि listening बहुत important है. एक environment जहाँ पे आपकी English से अच्छी English बोली जा रही हो, वहां पे उस चीज को सुनो. इंग्लिश गाने सुनने लगो ना, कुछ दिन बाद यू विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. सैयद सुनता है, उसकी एक्सेंट देखो, वो भी आप लोगों की तरह बिहार या यूपी में ही है, लेकिन उसकी एक्सेंट डिफरेंट है. Just because he listened to the songs, and there are good songs, guys, which you will be able to understand also. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, you're most welcome. Abhijit, you were raising your hand since very long. You have 2 minutes. Please quickly ask the question. Abhijit, do you have any network issue? He is unable to unmute himself. Deepak Kumar, you have a question? What happened? Am I audible? Deepak Kumar Shah, are you there? Okay, I think nobody has any question. Achha, Rahul Prabhakar. Yes, Rahul.
Ma'am, is it today last class?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you repeat?
Is today the last class of this session?
Today is not the last class. Tomorrow will be your last class, but tomorrow I will not be able to take your questions. I'll be mostly focusing on your interview. ठीक है, तो कल आपका mock interview है. कल का instruction आज दे देती हूँ because I'm just left with 1 minute. Guys, you people have to dress up in a formal sense, formal wear, formal uniform, the way I have told you to. Okay? और ये मत सोचना कि नीचे आप कुछ भी पहनोगे, ऊपर शर्ट पहनोगे क्योंकि कैमरा है. नहीं, मैं आपको खड़े करके भी देखूंगी ऊपर से नीचे तक, whether you are following the same thing or not. ठीक है? I know that it is not possible for you to go and do purchasing or something. तो जो अभी है आपके पास, उसी से ही अपने आप को उतना formally dress up कर लेना ताकि कल आप उतने presentable लगो. And yes, of course, I'll be seeing all these questions. Means ये जो questions मैंने आपको दिए हैं, mostly यही questions आपसे पूछे जाएंगे, and how beautifully you can describe or give answers to these questions will be observed, and you will be rated on the basis of it. I hope I'm clear with my instructions. Please be there sharp at 6:30. I'll start at 6:30 tomorrow. I'm not going to wait for anyone. Those who will be here, I'll start with them. And maybe I'll record a few of your presentation while asking questions and all, so that even I can have a proof how you behaved and how you performed during the mock interview. So it will be mock interviews tomorrow. You all are supposed, girls and boys out here, छुट्टी मत करना guys, it will be your loss. ठीक है, मैं कल पूरा complete 2 घंटे इसी में देना चाहती हूँ. भले मैं आपसे 2 क्वेश्चन ही पूछ के आपको छोड़ दूं, लेकिन एक प्रॉपर फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू की तरह होगा. आपने एक इंटरव्यूई की तरह आना है, एंड आई विल कम लाइक एन इंटरव्यूअर. कल मुझे भी तुम एक पूरे फॉर्मल गेटअप में देखोगे. I will also try to follow the same rules which I have given it to you. Om Prakash Yadav, what would you like to ask? First of all, unmute yourself, Om.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. Go ahead.
मैं अपने गांव पे आया था, तो मेरे सारे कपड़े तो वहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ, फिर मैं कैसे कल फॉर्म में आ सकता हूँ?
Borrow a shirt from your brother or your father and put it on, no?
मैम शर्ट को ले सकता हूँ, लेकिन टाई कहाँ से लूँगा?
चलो ठीक है, टाई मत पहनना, शर्ट फॉर्मल पहन लेना आयरन करके.
ठीक है,
प्रॉपर सेट करके. ओके,
ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू.
तो मोस्ट वेलकम. अभिजीत, 1 मिनट है तेरे पास, 1 मिनट.
But I was in the queue for half an hour. You was not responding to me. Then it is not my mistake, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. I know that you were raising your hand from last half an hour, but I couldn't give opportunity to, because I know जीत को दे दिया तो बाकियों को नहीं दे पाऊंगी. So just go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. As you mentioned that, do we need to give the feedback in written format, or can
Yes,
I
I want it in. I want it in written format. I'll give
if
you
I
my.
wish to deliver it in the class, then
I'm giving you my email ID. Okay, you all have to frame an email in a formal way. Okay. Remember, formal way. Please follow the instructions. Don't be very personal with me. Formal email has to be drafted. You people have to write your feedback in that, means on my mail. I'll have the collection of it and I'll keep it, for my further reference.
Okay,
cool?
Just tell me.
It's I'll write it there in the chat box.
Okay, and my question, ma'am, sometime interviewer asks some questions to you, and it may be you are knowing the right answer and you are also giving the right answer, but just for checking your confidence, they may say that no, this is not the right answer, because it has happened to me. So up to what extent we should do argument with him?
Okay, in that case, guys, I have sent you my ID. In that case, Abhijit, what you are supposed to do is do not be harsh at that particular moment. Keep your point. Say that I'm very much sure about my answers, sir. Or according to my knowledge, this is what I know. Now it's up to you how you will judge me. But this is the right answer according to the knowledge which I have gained or which I have acquired. You can even mention from where you have got this information and knowledge. This happens, Abhijit. I'm telling you, this
Means
happened with me.
resources.
When I went for my B.Ed interview, ठीक है, B.Ed का practical interview में one
Yes,
professor
ma'am.
refused to accept the sixth fundamental right. And I told him, this is the fundamental right, the sixth fundamental right, which I mentioned to him. He said, no, it's not possible. It is not there. But मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया था उसके ऊपर. पहली बात तो एक तो मैं यूपी में थी और वो मेरी इंग्लिश नहीं समझना चाहते थे. जब मैंने इंग्लिश मीडियम ऑप्ट किया है तो आपको भी एलिजिबल होना पड़ेगा इंग्लिश के लिए, तभी आप मेरी इंटरव्यू ले सकते हो. मुझे उनको हिंदी में फंडामेंटल राइट्स को समझाने के लिए फंडामेंटल राइट्स का ट्रांसलेशन देखना पड़ा देयर एंड देन एट द ऑन द स्पॉट, बिकॉज आई केम टू नो कि इस बंदे को इंग्लिश नहीं आती. फिर भी आई ट्राइड माय लेवल बेस्ट एंड आई डिड. फिर जो फंडामेंटल राइट मैंने 6th पॉइंट पे बताया, ही सेड ये है ही नहीं, मैं मान ही नहीं सकता. And he was so adamant with it that I got very angry. But as I was a student at that particular moment, I couldn't shout. I simply said, sir, maybe you can be right, but just give me a moment. I'll consult the source from where I saw this and I'll come back to you. I just put a smile on my face and just said that I'll just tell you that from here I have got this information and kindly check if the source is not. मैंने ऐसे भी बोला, maybe sir my source was not authentic, so it can be a possibility, but let me just check once. उसने बोला चलो ठीक है देख लीजिए. BHU का प्रोफेसर था वो, BHU का. सर देख लीजिए जाइए. उसको लगा that मैं गलत हूँ. फिर भी I took it.
Sometimes it happens, ma'am.
I took it, but I was confident, and I just went there on Wikipedia where the fundamental rights were written.
Okay.
I went to him and I said, sir, if it is the right time, may I show you the source from where I have picked this? He said, हाँ दिखाइए. ठीक है sir, just a minute. I just took my phone
Are you there, ma'am?
and it was done. हंस के बोले हाँ बस हम यही देख रहे थे कि आप में कॉन्फिडेंस है कि नहीं है. चलिए सही है आपका कॉन्फिडेंस. I got full marks in my practical. बट उसने पूरी तरह से मेरी कॉन्फिडेंस हिला दी थी. Because that was not my subject. Civics was not my subject. I read it during B.Ed only. But जो पढ़ के जाती हूँ एटलीस्ट उसके लिए पूरी श्योर होके जाती हूँ. एंड आई वाज श्योर. अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को शो करना, लेकिन गाइस उसके साथ रूड नहीं होना है. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर, बिकॉज दैट इज योर इंटरव्यूअर. ठीक है, फिर बहुत मौके मिलेंगे अपने आप को सही प्रूव करने का. So that's all, guys. At this note, I am left with only 3 minutes to start my next session. So that is all for today. We'll see you tomorrow. And all the very best for your preparation. Ambuj, I couldn't answer your question. You can drop a message in the group. If it is feasible for me, I'll reply to your message in the group itself. Fine? Okay. So that is all, guys. Please take care of yourself. Prepare yourself well. Break a leg. And Rituraj, I'm really very sorry I kept you waiting in that uniform. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll take your interview tomorrow. You will be the first person with whom I'll take the interview. Okay? Okay, guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.